Hello, my name is Amanda and I'm going to show you a magic trick tutorial with only a piece of paper and a pen. First, you need to start rolling the pen inside the paper like this. Keep it loose after the roll is complete till the paper. As you can see, the pen is coming out from the bottom, so this is what I'm going to do. Start blocking the edge by twisting it like this. As I keep twisting it, the pen will comes out from here, so I will grab it like this, hide it in my shirt like this. The viewers would believe that the pen is still inside here, meanwhile it is in my shirt, so I just keep twisting both of the edge and then crumple it. Alright, that is a magic tutorial from me. I hope you can practice doing it too.